a baritone to show today. It's number 924, and it's Orford, Cedar, and Myrtle for the body. And coming back to that combination just felt really good to me. I think if I had Orford, Cedar, and Myrtle over here, I had red cedar and walnut over here. It's like just moving back and forth between the two, like seasons in the year, is just so fun for me. And this really is a summer feel and sound for me. It's like the instruments that sound green to me compared to the instruments that sound red. Anyway, beautiful straight grain Orford cedar top. It's from the Oregon coast. And a really nice piece of myrtle. It's got some curl in it, some really nice stripes. Both these pieces came from woodfromthewest.com. Put a nice little herringbone end graft in there. And I did kind of the old traditional thing where you only bind the top, you don't bind the back. And that's really just to protect the soft edges of the top. And I used alder and walnut for the neck. I love alder like this, and even though it's a really common tree, it's not found as much in suitable grain for fine woodworking. Kind of hard for me to get my hands on, but I salvaged this stuff from the carpenter ant stash. And then some really beautiful green and stripy pistachio for the rest. Walnut binding on here. So yeah, this customer really wanted a loud, vibrant instrument. I think we got it. Yeah, feels really good. And I'd like to use more alder for next. It's kind of got almost a similar like strength to weight as light mahogany, and so I think it's a good Northwest wood for me to use for next. Just got to get my hands on more of it. So yeah, all Pacific Northwest wood on this one, and I'm really proud of it. That's 924 out the door. Cheers.